Hi everyone. I wanted to share with you quickly one of the newer introductions of Echinacea. I have to say I've tried a lot of them. I haven't tried all of them, and I found them to be genetically insecure in our soils in our area. But this one is from the Echinacea Sombrero series. I got this from Ball when I did the gardens in front of their headquarters in West Chicago, and it's done very well. It's Sombrero Orange, and it's been in the garden now for 2 years, and it's done extremely well. The Sombrero, I think red, the other Sombreros series, I didn't have much luck with. They declined a couple of winters ago, through actually the first winter. But Sombrero Orange, I wanted to show this to you, it's done very well. And I'm not really saying the other ones wouldn't do well in other conditions. It's just the site I had with the heavier soils. And I also planted them late. These were planted in actually early November of 2018, and they've done very well. So I thought I'd share this with you. And I have other Echinacea hybrids. This is one that happened accidentally here at Northwind. I call it Echinacea Northwind, but I just like it because of the way it floats through the garden. It's very tall, and the flowers just float nicely through the planting above the plants. I have it planted here with, you can see the small white flowers of Succinella inflexus. And Succinella seeds freely, but I don't plant it until the 4th or 5th year the garden has matured. And then the seed competition is minimum. But it's a beautiful little floating white flower. So I'll end with what I started with, Echinacea Sombrero Orange. It's done very well here, and I thought I'd share that with you. And look, I got one more point to make. Look at it with Achillea Marmalade. The marmalade starts with a burnt orange. You can see the burnt orange, that's a later flower, goes to yellow, and then to soft yellow, and then to white. It's a very nice yarrow, and it has a nice height of about 30 inches to 24, 30 inches. Alrighty, I'm finishing up. Thanks for your time. I'll talk to you soon.